Hello dear colleagues, in this discussion we are talking about a DC chopper that has an inductive load. In other words, it's going to be a step down DC chopper that has a what? An RL rod. RL rod. So this is how it looks like. If we are to draw the circuit, we have the switch there, then we have a freewheeling diode here, and obviously this is going to be, we can always put a capacitor here, and then the load is inductive. So we know R as 1 ohm, we know L as 10 times 10 power negative 3 henries, and Vs, which is here, is equal to 24 volts. V naught is across here, so V naught, we don't know it, but we know the on time. T on is 5 milliseconds, and the frequency of the switch is 100 hertz. So what does this call us to get? We are supposed to get the average, maximum, and minimum load currents. So average, minimum current, minimum load current, I naught mean is what we are beginning with. This is equal to Vs out of R into, we are going to have exponential of T on divided by tau minus 1 divided by exponential of time period divided by tau, which is the time constant, minus 1, then minus E out of R. But E is always on the side of the load, and since it is not there, this component is going to be 0. But we can also get the tau. Tau is the same as R, 1 out of R times L. So this is 10 power negative 3, obviously times 10 divided by 1, and this is 10 times 10 power negative 3 seconds. Now let's look for these ratios, T on divided by tau. T on, we already know that it is given as 5 milliseconds. So this is going to be 5 times 10 power negative 3 divided by 10 times 10 power negative 3. This is 0.5. Then we also need to get the time period divided by tau. The time period, we know it is going to be 1 out of frequency. So 1 out of frequency, then times tau. This is going to be 0.01 divided by tau. Tau is already 10 times 10 power negative 3. And this is equal to, it's the same as 1 out of 100. So this T divided by tau is equal to 1. So meaning I naught mean is therefore equal to Vs is known as 24 divided by 1 into exponential of T on divided by tau is 0.5 minus 1 divided by exponential of time period divided by tau. This is 1, then minus 1, so minus 0, because we said E is equal to 0. So this is going to be 24 into, this is going to be 0.6481 divided by 1.7183, and this is giving me 9.05 amps. So that is the I mean. So I naught max is going to be Vs divided by R into 1 minus exponential of negative T on divided by tau divided by 1 minus exponential negative T, which is the time period, divided by tau. Then minus E out of R, but we said this E is equal to 0. So let's substitute in to get our I naught max is equal to Vs, which is 24 divided by 1. 1 is the resistance. So 1 minus E exponential of negative. This is supposed to be 0.5 divided by 1 exponential of negative 1. So this is giving me 0.3935 divided by 0.6321 times 24. So I naught max is actually giving me 14.94 amps.